What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix if Samsung won't send text messages in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, try restarting your phone. So to restart, swipe down and click on this power icon and then click on restart. Now again click on this restart icon, and after restarting your phone the text messages issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then clear the messages app cache memory. So to do this, open settings, scroll down and click on apps. Now in apps, scroll down and here look for the messages app. Now in messages app, scroll down and go to its storage. Now from here just simply click on the clear cache icon here to clear the cache memory of messages app, and after clearing the cache memory the messages app will start working properly. But if you are still facing the issue, then maybe it's a network issue, so check for the signals. So if you are having a bad signal strength, then move to an area where you can get good signals. But if your signals are good, then the last solution is reset network settings. So for that, open settings, scroll down and click on general management. Now in general management, scroll down and here click on reset. Now click on reset mobile network settings and then click on reset settings. Now enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern, and then again click on reset to confirm. So when you will click on reset option here, it will reset all your mobile network settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after doing this, the text messages issue will be 100% fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.